We're going to call this Tuesdays with Francisco. Welcome back, my friend. It's nice to see you.
Thank you, Tyler. Thanks for having me.
Why don't we talk about a couple of a little more obscure parts? Why has diesel been going as high as it has? I saw it over the weekend, well above $6 a gallon at a station out on Long Island.
Well, so very simply, Tyler, Russia is one of the largest exporters of petroleum products, the largest one being the US of A. But Russia comes right as number two. It has roughly over 6 million barrels a day of refining capacity. And we've seen a meaningful curtailment of Russian distillate exports as we've seen a lot of companies going for self-sanctions. And then, of course, the U.S. has also sanctioned Russian energy exports, as has the U.K. So that's tightened a global refining system. That's number one. Number two is we've also seen the Chinese reducing their petroleum product exports. That's also tightened the global market. And as a result, we've seen higher diesel prices in New York Harbor, which is why you have these high prices in New Jersey. So it kind of comes together. It's a global market, and Russia and China have reduced their export volumes quite a bit. That's the bottom line. And inventories are just really rock bottom low.
Oil down today, natural gas higher today after a couple of days of very steep sort of counter trend losses there. What's going on in nat gas?
Well, natural gas is a global market as well in some ways, but in the case of the U.S., it's still a local market. One thing that we talked about, I think, last week, the week prior, is that the global coal prices are ripping. Now, you think oil is expensive at $100 a barrel, but just think about this. Global coal prices are also close to $100 a barrel of oil equivalent. And typically, coal trades at a fifth of the price of oil once you adjust for the calorific value it contains. So, coal's supposed to be $20 a barrel and straight at $100 a barrel, and that's dragged up the price of coal in the U.S. as well. Appalachian coal, lifting up the room for gas to move towards the upper end of that band. Because remember, utilities will use either coal or gas to generate electricity. So when the price of coal goes up, the price of Appalachian coal goes up. That also lifts the price for natural gas if you have a tight market. Remember, we had a cold end of winter, so demand was pretty strong into the winter end. And also remember, in the case of the U.S. natural gas market, we had freeze-offs in the first quarter and also in April. So we lost supply, we had pretty good demand, and we ended up with a deficit. And then this coal market is ripped. So I think that's the story on gas. It's kind of connecting to that global energy crisis, so to speak.